what the hell is deep learning and why is it so important? Deep learning is basically a subset of artificial intelligence, which is also a subset of machine learning, and therefore deep learning is just one recipe in the cookbook of artificial intelligence. It can have different flavors and it can have different variations according to the cook itself. But at the end of the day, it is part of the cookbook of the recipes that artificial intelligence as a whole has. It is extremely important to understand this point, and this is so very important. The difference here is that humans were writing code. They were actually producing the code itself. The difference comes in now is that the data is writing the code. It is actually where the data takes the whole prediction. The data dictates where this insight is going to come from, and that's a significant breakthrough. The minute you have that level of analytics that you can produce from that can be provided in natural language processing, computer vision, wherever you want to put that deep learning in, that will completely change the game altogether. Machine learning is mainly where you have feature extraction by humans, and that process, that step is taken away in deep learning. And what it brings is a significant amount of advantage, and some would say some disadvantage. So you need a really huge amount of data. You need higher training time, and it does require a more compute power, more extensive compute power. But the benefit comes is interesting. It is higher accuracy, and it can be applied in more variable situations as compared to machine learning.